They voted for it. Woo! Comment. I miss being around kids because my kids are all grown and I'm like never around kids. Maybe that's why I seem patient. Oh, thanks, Carolyn. That's a good thing. Hey, Resting! Hi! How are you, sugar, sugar, sugar? Thank you, lovely, for the rose. Oh, let me close this while washing. We have 5 more. I'm actually fantastic. I'm better than fantastic. Hi, China May. Hey, beautiful. Guys, this is gonna be, I think this is gonna be creamy deliciousness. Yeah, easy squeezy. Because Edelyn's deaf. Oh, thank you, easy squeezy. Look at it dance. Look at the powder dance. Oh my gosh, this is so good, you guys. I like it. I like it. Oh no, I tried wintergreen. That's not my jam. I felt like poison flowing into my lungs. Maybe wintergreen, maybe when we do an outdoor live. It scares me. This is dish soap and Lysol and Comet, of course, Comet. Can't forget that. Yeah, I'm not a fan of it. I tried it one time, but it smelled like poison. I had to open the windows and the doors and everything. People tougher than me use it. No, not Tidy Bowl either. The purple Tidy Bowl I think is pretty, but the blue of the other Tidy Bowl, I don't like it. I don't know why. I don't know why. It just gets to me. Tidy Bowl, the blue one. I like it in the toilet. That's a good place. But no, I'm not a fan of Tidy Bowl. I never buy it. I want some if there is clean green beans. That sounds like it would be pretty. But no, not the blue. That blue, I don't know. It's a pretty blue, but I don't know. When I see it in a overload or combo, I can't watch it. Yeah, and the wintergreen, man, I tried it once, but no more for me. It smelled like not like gas, because gas smells kind of good, but like poisonous. It smelled toxic, I should say. So I will not be buying wintergreen unless we're doing an outdoor live. And somebody like specially requests it for an outdoor live, then maybe, but forget it. Otherwise, no, 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 no. Really? Yeah, you were telling me that too, huh, Lucy? That it ruins the sponges? See, I don't want to get ruining sponges. And if I get it on my flesh, just think. I'm already a big baby about my flesh. No. For this one, this was all that was going in, was the cans. Should we put the Ajax cans in here? I think that would look pretty. But for our final combo, we're putting Foca in. Sierra. Yeah, I don't like it. I cannot watch. If there's a combo with it, I can't watch it. It's weird. Yeah, we should put the Ajax in. Save the Ajax for the Foca. Oh, put it in with that. No, I don't have anything left. We are sold out. Yes, dish soap is my heart. Tiffany, you don't like pink vanilla? I like pink vanilla. I don't have any today though. I think it's pretty. Yeah, it does. It does, Sierra. I've noticed that too. It makes it like separate. Like the time that I used it, it even separated. It looked kind of cool, but the smell. I'm trying to live a little bit longer. Are you guys ready to save this so we can do our finale that I'm also very excited about? For our finale, we're probably gonna have to put some water in. We'll squeeze it without water first, but we'll see. We might have to put water in with it. I love this. Ajax is going into the next thing. Our next combo, Ajax is going into. I'm sorry, Resting. I've been on for a while. I've been on since like 8 something. I do too much, Amber. It's true. I do too much. Yes, you missed the save. We have one last combo. Well, yeah, I'd call it a combo. A brand new to me product and Foca and Ajax cans. But we may need to put water in it because we're going to try to squeeze it without water. But it's a car wash soap, so it might need water. And we saved some of that, so we can use that again sometime. We saved some of the paste and we saved some of the jelly. Let's get some of these suds down faster. You guys are so quiet. So quiet. Okay, I think I want to use Shorty for the next thingy. I think she'll bring out the good sides. Hi, Mari. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Get whatchamacallit, a bar to make the suds go away real quick.